Once upon a time, in a faraway land, there was a small village surrounded by lush green fields and towering mountains. The villagers were simple folk, living a peaceful life. In the heart of the village stood an ancient oak tree known to all as the Tree of Wonders. Legend had it that the tree possessed magical powers, and every year on the eve of the summer solstice, it would grant a single wish to the purest soul in the village. The villagers would gather around the tree, their eyes filled with hope and dreams. In this village lived a kind-hearted girl named Lila. She was known for her compassion and generosity. Lila cared for the sick, helped the elderly, and always had a smile on her face. As the summer solstice approached, whispers spread through the village that Lila might be the chosen one to make a wish. On the eve of the solstice, the villagers gathered around the Tree of Wonders, their faces illuminated by the soft glow of fireflies. Lila stepped forward, her heart pounding with both excitement and humility. She closed her eyes and made her wish, a wish that would benefit the entire village. The next morning, the village awoke to a surprising sight. The once barren fields were now filled with an abundance of fruits and vegetables. The rivers that had run dry for years were flowing with crystal-clear water. The villagers were overjoyed, and they knew that Lila's selfless wish had brought prosperity to their home. However, with great power comes great responsibility. The neighboring villages, hearing of the Tree of Wonders and its magical abilities, grew envious. They sought to take control of the tree and its gifts for themselves. Led by a power-hungry chief, they invaded Lila's village, intent on claiming the tree. Lila, realizing the danger, decided to take matters into her own hands. With the help of her fellow villagers, she devised a plan to protect the Tree of Wonders. They built barricades, set traps, and stood united against the invaders. The battle was fierce, but the villagers fought with determination and courage. As the sun set on the battlefield, the invaders were defeated. Lila stood among her people, their village saved from those who sought to exploit the magic of the ancient tree. The Tree of Wonders, witnessing the bravery and unity of the villagers, glowed even brighter. From that day forward, the village became a beacon of hope and inspiration for others. Lila's story spread far and wide, reminding people of the power of selflessness and unity. The Tree of Wonders continued to grant wishes, but now it was not just for one village. It blessed all those who approached with pure hearts. And so the ancient story of Lila and the Tree of Wonders became a timeless tale, teaching generations about the importance of kindness, generosity, and standing together in the face of adversity.